In this video, we focus on the process approach and risk-based thinking competency in the IATF Auditor Guide. In particular, the auditing of continuous improvement plans. Watch this video to see if the auditor is undertaking an effective audit. So what I would like to do now in this part of the audit then is to look at the plan, manufacturing improvement plan.
Understand.
But maybe you can show me how do you know which areas to focus on?
Yeah. In our KPI dashboard, where we have identified, or we have the same identified processes as we have in our management system.
Yeah.
Here we can decide what KPIs you would like to see. And right now we're speaking about operations.
So you call it operations.
Operations,
okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Operations is for us resin material or components in,
Yeah.
and ready products out.
So the full.
Yeah, that is
full
operations.
Okay.
So that is including logistics, maintenance, production.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's focus on operations then.
Okay.
So if we drill down through the data for the Lithuania plant then, can you show me the recent performance data?
I can do that. So here we go down to Kaunas, Lithuania, and here we have our defined KPIs, delivery precision, production cost savings, poor quality cost, manpower productivity, and OEE, of course. There are some more as well.
Good. Maybe shall we take the production cost saving one then?
Yeah.
So can you show us the data for that? And then if you haven't met your target, what is your method of tracking that improvement?
Yeah.
So let's have a look at the data first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Production cost savings, we measure on, I would say, on a daily basis, and then we monitor it on a monthly basis.
Okay, yeah.
We have a target of a monthly saving, and this is, of course, a really important KPI for us because, I mean, this is the way for us to improve and to keep our cost efficiency against our customers.
Okay.
And in the PDCA, as we have integrated in the KPI dashboard, here you can see detailed what kind of activities we have implemented and what we have in progress.
So let's just pick a couple of examples of those then. Can you show me a completed one, just so I can understand the layout of the PDCA?
Yeah. And
something around the cost saving. Yeah.
Okay. So production cost savings.
There we have one. Okay.
Absolutely. And here we can sort out KB Kaunas. So here we have them.
Good. Okay. So a number of improvements. Let's look at one of the Finnish ones then, if we can, and then I will follow that through into operations in a few minutes. Could you just give me an example of a completed one?
Here we have the latest improvement activities as we actually are ongoing. They are in progress.
Right. So we've got the reason for the improvement. Let's look at this. What's this action we've got here?
Yep.
Production consumption of grey material.
Yeah, here now today, sustainability is also a key factor within continuous improvement. So here we're actually together with our customers looking where we can utilize and use more regrind material.
Good.
Very important.
So we'll take that improvement number 10 and the improvement number 14 then, and what we'll do is follow through and check the current status of those two improvement initiatives.
Okay.
I think maybe who would be the best? Would it the production manager?
I would say production or PPT manager.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So we'll follow that through now then. But no, I'm very clear on how you're tracking those improvements.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So let's summarize. In this audit, we see the auditor auditing the organization continual improvement plans. It's really important in the context of IATF 16949 for the auditor to have a clear understanding about the difference between corrective action and continual improvement. Corrective action brings the process back to where it should be, where continual improvement takes a process to another level, driving improvement to help improve the overall performance of the quality management system. In this audit, the auditor was trying to identify what was the organization's continual improvement priorities. And then based upon the information collected, the auditor should follow audit trails into the relevant process where the continual improvement activities were being performed. We should also remember in the context of IATF 16949 that the continual improvement activities should be described within a documented process. And when we follow the audit trail to continual improvement, the projects could be focused on improving quality, to improving delivery, or actually could be focused on improving cost, in reducing the cost of the process or reducing the cost of the product. So let's summarize with the key learning points. It is really important in an IATF auditor that the auditor is focused on one of the things that is in the IATF goal, which is continual improvement. Collecting information related to the continual improvement activities being performed within the organization, which should be in line with their own documented process, and then using that information to follow audit trails to verify the continual improvement activities are actually being undertaken and that the relevant quality management system documentation is being updated as a result of the continual improvement activities.